Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss our topic trigonometric identities. So what are these identities? In mathematics SCR and NCRT exercise 7.3 we can use these identities. So first trigonometric identity products, that is product of these identities. I have sin A sin B, product between them cos A minus B minus cos A plus B by 2, and I have sin A product cos B sin A plus B minus sin A minus B by 2. So I had wrote sin A plus B minus sin A minus B by 2. Now cos A cos B cos A plus B minus cos A minus B by 2. So I will tell you that all of these will get denominator of 2. So now sin A cos B, which is equal to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B by 2. Again cos A product cos B cos A plus B minus cos A minus B by 2. So let me tell you one thing, that what is common in this. So you may note that I have another thing, product sum of trigonometric identities. I have sin A plus sin B twice sin of A plus B by 2, which is equal to cos A minus B by 2. I have cos A plus cos B, which is equal to twice cos A plus B by 2, product cos A minus B by 2. I have sin A minus sin B, twice cos A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2. Cos A cos B, which is equal to minus twice sin of A plus B by 2, product sin A minus B by 2. Let me tell you one thing which is common among these. What is this? This is A minus B by 2. So, product sum of trigonometric identities, we must conclude that A minus B by 2 at last comes, and this is common among all of these. So, sin A minus sin B twice cos A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2. Cos A cos B is twice sin A plus B by 2. Now I have half angle identities. I have sine of theta by 2 plus minus root 1 minus cos theta by 2, cos theta by 2 plus minus root 1 plus cos theta by 2, tan theta by 2 plus minus root 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Let me tell you, sine and cos gets theta by 2 common. This will help you to remember this formula, that is theta by 2 cos theta by 2 and sine and cos theta. So this is tan theta by 2, plus minus signs depends upon your question. So now I have another three formulas of trigonometric identity products. Our next exercise, that is 7.3, is based on these identities, trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. We must remember these identities.